This tutorial briefly describes about what is a singular matrix and how to determine the ill-conditioned matrices using condition number. So if you let's look at a simple matrix A, which has 1 2 in the first row and 1 1 in the second row. The function COND can be used to find the condition number of this matrix, and you can see it's 6.85. If the matrix is a diagonal matrix, then the condition number is 1, and now as you start putting some off diagonal terms, the condition number starts to increase. But if the condition number becomes very large compared to 1, then the matrix is becoming more and more singular, which means it's not invertible. Or in other words, if we were trying to solve Ax is equal to b, then if we can't invert A, that means there is no solution for x. X solution doesn't exist. And in order to do that, let's experiment here. Let's make this 1.9, and again try to find the condition number. As you can see, by just changing that 1 to 1.9, now the condition number has become 96, which has become larger. Now try again by putting a couple of more 9s, so 1.999, which means you're basically converting this into two same lines, and again check the condition number, and you can see how this has become very large, which means it's going to be very tough to invert this matrix. So let's try to see what inverse of A is. And as you can see, again, these are very large numbers, and from condition number we can say that these numbers are most likely not going to give us a good solution or a valid solution. And just to see what ends up happening if you have 1 2 and 1 2, oops. So what potentially this means that you have two exactly same equations that you're trying to solve simultaneously. So what is the condition number for this case? Let's see. It's infinite. So if there is any redundancy in your system of equations, then you have a system that cannot be solved, and there is no solution for that system. And this can be tricky if you end up having a singular matrix like this, and there are ways to take care of that. So I hope this tutorial explains what a singular matrix is and how to use condition number to get a feel of how accurate your result is.